Hello my friend, welcome to my weekly market view video. On last week's market view, we talked about a possible correction on Bitcoin, and you might remember the candle right at this point might be the target of the correction, and 21 and 21.5k are first possible targets. Last week the price directly hit that point and got a reaction. We can see on this week's candle that the correction is still continuous. Let's check out the daily chart and try to anticipate the possible turning points for the market. But before we start, I have to mention the disclaimer that this is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. All the contents on this video includes informative news about the current market situation. When we implement Fibonacci on Bitcoin's daily chart, it seems the first point the price might target is 0.382 and the price is around 21.2k there, and next level has a lot more importance on 0.5 Fibonacci level and the price is 20.3k there, and lastly 0.618 might be the final target before turning up. There, the price is around 19.3k. Actually, as I mentioned on my last weekly video, my expectation for the current correction price was 21k, and this price has already seen during the last week's fall. But we should always take the Fibonacci levels into consideration that 0.5 and 0.618 levels are always possible. Okay, let's take a look at some altcoins and which are seen to reach to a buying opportunity price during the Bitcoin's correction. When we check out Ethereum, after breaking the falling trend, the price jumped up for some extent and now it's on its correction situation. Here I want to give you some tips about the most frequent price action setup that is used by professional traders. When the price breaks the trend, pro traders wait for the price to move slightly to the up for a while and look for an entry price on Fibonacci level 0.618. When we implement a Fibonacci on daily chart of Ethereum, it can be seen that the price is trying to reach 0.5 Fibonacci price, and that is around 1433, and below that price 0.18 Fibonacci level is also possible, and the price is 1366 right there. The green EMA is 111 simple moving average, and those professional traders also take that EMA into consideration, and when the price turns back to 111, they might consider this point as buying level. Alpha has already reached the Fibonacci level 0.5 and got a reaction there, and under this price 0.1018 is also highly possible as a turning point. Mana coin stayed stronger than Alpha and reacted to Fibonacci level 0.382, and below this point the price 0.56 and 0.49 are good places to create a buying opportunity for Decentraland to its followers. XRP's daily chart doesn't look well comparing to the other altcoins. My expectation for XRP for the long run is highly bullish, but it seems we should keep watching its movements before buying cause the price stayed even under SSL Hybrid's moving average on a daily basis. As I mentioned in my previous videos, Matic is by far the most favorite altcoin, and as you see on daily chart, although Bitcoin made a decent correction, Matic seems still real strong and managed to stay above the Kaufman moving average. If the price can be able to break the Kaufman, then the next target will probably be 1.05 price level. KSM aka Kusama coin made a decent move during the correction and it's about to reach 0.5 Fibonacci level, and also 111 moving average coincides there, so between the price 28 and 30 might be the level for Kusama's possible turning point. A similar chart look can be seen on AVAX's daily chart, but this time 111 moving average is a bit below the 0.618 Fibonacci level. So important support prices for AVAX are 1622 and 1528. Audio moves really fast during the impulses or even during the consolidation periods. So with these kind of coins, we should definitely avoid buying for short terms and trying to keep them for longer periods. And it is always better with small amount purchases because it may cause too much stress on us because of highly volatile market movements. 0.2450 and 0.2163 are important support levels for audio coin. Axes seem to reach a decent level for its turning point to higher levels. I might check Axes on 4-hour time frame for a buying pattern or signal to add my bag around the price 9. Last week, BNB firstly broke the Kaufman moving average. It took the confirmation for continuation to the downtrend and finally reached the 111 moving average and got a reaction right there. Now the price 277 is an important support for the price, of course if it can be able to break the 111 moving average. Uni has almost reached its correction level. If the price goes below those levels and moving averages and stays there, it means this is not a real correction, maybe the start of possible downtrend. But up to that point, we will keep considering this short-term downtrend as a correction. So for Uni, this price might be a buying opportunity. My own plan for adding Uni to buy back is around $6. Zilliqa looks strong on the chart. We can't consider this price movement as a correction, but I will keep the price following until to the Fibonacci 0.5 level. If it comes there, I can add some Zilliqa to my bag. ENS looks ready to go higher levels and complete its correction, but I still prefer to see the price 13 in order to add some ENS to my bag. GMT seems to give a good buying opportunity to its followers. I will keep watching on 4 hours time frame and planning to add some GMT to my bag with a nice price action or a signal. Algo is also one of my favorite altcoins, and the price I wait for Algo to add my bag is 0.23, and it seems it's almost there. DYDX has made a nice pullback last week, and I wait for the price $2 to add some to my bag. API has also made a nice pullback, and it is about to reach to my target price point, and this price is between 1.47 and 1.49. Sushi made a strong pullback. I haven't added Sushi to my bag, but if you are one of the followers, you might look for a price action signal for a purchase around current price. Reef has many followers, but to be honest, I don't like both its current price movement and the overall project. I mostly lost my interest to Cardano as well, but it has still taken interest of a lot many people, so if you are one of the followers, 0.33 level is the place where 111 moving average passes, and probably it will create a strong support at that point. Gala performed really well in the last previous weeks, and after the correction, it still looks stronger than other altcoins. So the price levels we should follow for Gala are around 0.04 and 0.033. OP coin has also performed really well and skyrocketed during the last few weeks. That's why its correction seems sharper than other altcoins. But for the long run, OP coin has a great future. The price level around $2 is the place where I'm planning to add some OP coin to my bag. UTK coin has performed a bit complicated, but this coin is also in my radar and looking for a possible price action signals for adding some UTK coin to my bag. CRV has also good future in my opinion, but it seems we might miss the buying opportunity for this altcoin. I'm not gonna add CRV to my bag right away because I haven't seen a turning signal on Bitcoin yet, so I think we better keep watching the price movement closely for now. SNX is a good coin and has a good project. The correction of the price might seem enough, but I still expect a bit lower price like around $2 to add my bag. I hope it gives us that opportunity. And same with NEAR like SNX. I prefer to wait a bit lower price around $2 for NEAR. It is sad to see Mina doesn't give us a buying opportunity, cause while all prices were in a correction, Mina skyrocketed last week and started its correction from a higher level. That means it might complete its correction at a higher level as well. So I hope I can see a better lower price like 0.8 to add some Mina to my bag, cause Mina is also one of my coins that I like. LTC also performed really well and it still stays above Kaufman moving average. Not many altcoins manage to stay above Kaufman. This also shows how strong coin is LTC. I will wait for a bit more retracement for LTC cause I really want to add this coin to my wallet. I left my best to do last. Ancient coin has a great future. I already added some to my bag and planning to add more if the price declines more. A sudden and long wicks might happen on the market in order to stop out the buyers and activate the new buyers' orders in order to start a new impulse on Bitcoin and altcoins. As I said in my previous market view videos, this increase on prices is not a real bull run. And don't expect a new all-time highs according to my fundamental and on-chain analysis. But anyway, we can still enjoy the rise of the market. Thanks for watching till the end, I appreciate.